is a video for my wiring 101, starting from the positive side of the battery, down into my 20 amp fuse, into my 12 gauge red wire. Red wire splices here, comes back, and goes to my RR, which feeds a 12 volts battery feed. Comes back, we're going to go back up to the splice here, and it's going to go all the way up and into my ignition switch connector. Through the ignition switch connector, it's going to power what I have, a toggle switch, but normally they would power up a ignition switch. From the toggle switch or key, once it's turned on, it will send power into the brown and blue wires. The brown and blue wires through the connector come out, and there's two brown, one blue. The one brown comes out, goes down through the harness. It'll come all the way down, and it feeds the RR 12 volts ignition. Back up to the ignition switch connector. The other brown comes down, and the blue go into the fuse box connector. The fuse box connector has 7 wires. There's 3 on the bottom half, which is brown, red, and blue. On the other side is 4 wires, which are 2 brown, 1 red and white, 1 blue. The red and white comes out into the kill switch connector. This sends power to the kill switch here. Kill switch is off, so it sends power back through the red and white. It comes out and it goes in, and it feeds both coils. The TCI and the starter solenoid. When I turn my key or toggle on, I power my ignition side up. The kill switch is off. When I turn the kill switch on, it kills power to the starter solenoid, the TCI, and the coils. To turn it back on, I have power. The other power wires coming out of the fuse connector are for your lights, horns, everything up front of the bike. So we're going to work on the ground side now. Ground side from the battery, 12 gauge, comes in, it splices. The splice comes back and grounds the RR. Back up to the splice. I spliced it again. 3 wires for the brake light and both turn signals for the rear. Comes up through, splices again, and goes to the TCI. Grounds the TCI. Comes up through the horn, and up through, and this goes to the headlight. This ground will be spliced into for all the front lights. Now the TCI, there's 2 orange. 1 orange comes out, and it goes to number 1 coil. The other orange comes up through the harness and out it'll go to the tachometer if you're running one. If not, you don't need this wire. The gray wire comes out through the harness, comes up, it feeds the number 2 coil. And that's it.